So my first solo trip abroad ever started off with me having the biggest migraine ever. I couldn't believe it. So I had to go to Boots, get myself some paracetamol and a bottle of water so that I could sort myself out. I also went and got some food from Nando's. I ordered a full English and I only ate the hash browns, toast and a bit of the beans. After that, my gate number came up fairly quickly and I made my way to the gate. So this flight was slightly shambolic and I'll tell you why. I forgot to book my seat earlier on, which meant that the only seat left was at the back of the plane and it was a window seat. And guys, when I got there, I was in a window seat, but where was the window? In these kind of situations, you've just got to laugh because otherwise you'll cry and feel claustrophobic. But I thank God that no one sat next to me and I was able to lie down on all 3 seats for the remainder of the flight. And to be fair, we got to Malta pretty quickly. When we landed, it was 21 degrees and it felt so good to feel the sun shining on my skin. Because if you're living in the UK, then you know how cold it's been this winter. Going through security and collecting my baggage only took about 20 minutes. Then I got a taxi and that cost me 20 euros. And the journey from the airport to my hotel took around, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes. I decided to stay at the Hyatt Regency Malta. It's a 5-star hotel and it's located in the heart of St. Julian's. So this is today's outfit. I'm just wearing my black long sleeve crop top from Zara, my Uniqlo pants, they're like a creamish colour, my white Birkenstocks, vintage Michael Kors bag, Michael Kors watch, and my sunglasses. I decided to explore the local area, and of course my first stop had to be the shopping centre. They had a wide range of shops and I stopped in Kiko, picked up some lip glosses because I forgot mine at home. So I've got a Haagen-Dazs ice cream. I got the salted caramel brownie and now I'm just walking to St. George's Bay. Character of these houses is so amazing. I made my way back to the hotel for the rest of the evening and I relaxed on the roof for a little while. And then I made my way back to my room, and here's the first lip gloss that I bought. It's in shade 7 and it's the 3D Hydra lip gloss. And then the second one that I bought was a lipstick and it's really creamy and pink. I love it. I started my second day with a 6 a.m. swim and it was honestly the best. It was so quiet. Then I got ready for the day and I wanted to take some pictures, so I did that. I decided to spend the rest of my day in Valletta, which is the capital city of Malta. It's full of loads of historical buildings. The buildings have so much character. There's loads of places to shop and eat, and you can take in some amazing views. My first stop in Valletta had to be the Upper Barrakka Gardens. I love anything gardens and plants, so I was really excited to visit because it's one of the city's most popular tourist attractions. The gardens overlook the harbour and you can see the most amazing panoramic view of Malta from here. I did some more walking around, but then I got incredibly hungry, so I had to find somewhere to eat. So I found this small restaurant while I was walking, and the menu looked good. So I had their like rice and chicken dish. It was pretty good. But I entered the night early, so this is the next day. I went to breakfast, and guys, this hotel had everything from cereals to bread, any kind of hot food, just anything you could possibly want for breakfast, they had it. I spent the remainder of the day at the Marina, and I took time to spend with God. I reflected on the book of Acts chapter 28. This was where Paul had experienced being in the storm and even a shipwreck before God safely brought him and others on the ship to Malta. Walking with God is not always easy, but I was reminded that when you believe and have faith in God, trouble may come, but God is faithful and He will take care of us.